Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you guys this gorgeous like summery look. I'm going to an early dinner, so I think this is perfect. Got the little pop color, got the waves, got the black, got the super cute. I'm probably going to take a picture, so make sure you guys check that out on Instagram. But yeah, everything came out exactly how I wanted. My face, my hair, my outfit, and I love it. So if you want to see how I got this look, well, my hair, sorry to disappoint, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, like this video, and keep watching. Let's get straight into the install. I'm super excited because I ate this up. We're gonna get back into the hair, but I need to tell you guys where I kind of messed up. So I applied edge control, and you guys, I ran out of my like skin protector which cleans my skin, and my lace was not sticking, so I was struggling a little bit, but my hair was laid. If you apply any kind of edge control or anything greasy, make sure you're able to wipe off your hairline so that the lace can actually stick, or it will not stick, or it will turn white. Just a warning. So back to this hair. Today's hair is from Yolissa Hair. You guys, I got the infamous water wave. This is my third time trying it. The only difference with this wig is that this one is a 28 inch. The other two that I've done in the past are 30 inch. And I just love this texture. I love this wig. Like, this is one of the best water waves that I have ever tried. It's so full from the root to the tip. It's literally perfect. So like I said, had this wig a few times. I'll leave all the information down in the description box because this is literally going to be your go-to summertime wig. It's giving vacation. It's giving summertime. It's giving just giving everything. Okay, it's giving everything. But I was trying to figure out how to style this because you guys know I do not like super long hair like in my face or like super textured hair. Sometimes it depends, but I just feel like it requires a lot of layering and framing, and I did not want to do that with this wig. I wanted to keep this wig as is and just keep the length and give that kind of like mermaid-esque bohemian type of vibe. So I did like a half up, half down, but not like the traditional half up, half down. It's just a lot more sleek and just like polished, very girly, feminine. Like today's look just gave from head to toe, literally. I went out for dinner today, and I just, really wanted to give like a girly type of vibe. So that's what I did. So I had to make sure my hair was slick. So I am hot combing this frontal area. The frontal area is a 13x4. It's not the worst. I prefer a 13x6, but it works for this hairstyle. It looks really good. It looked very sleek. The reason why I prefer a 13x6 is because a lot of times a 13x4 can be bulky, but however they construct this wig, it is so sleek. It doesn't like give that like hump or helmet look, which most 13x4s do. The way Yolissa constructs their wigs, it is very it's just very flat. So I really like that, and I'm very confident when I wear these 13x4s. I feel like I have a lot of versatility. I can wear it half up, half down. I can do a middle part, side part, because it is a full frontal. There's no limitations on parting on the side or anything like that. You have a full 13x4 frontal area. That was the Tresemme hairspray that you guys saw me using. I was spraying it while I was hot combing it so it'd be nice and sleek, and it did not make the hair crunchy. So this is the hair, the texture, you guys. I'm gonna give you the full view. Oh, it's just so yummy. I love it. I love it. It's perfect. You can blow it out. You can wet it, wear it wet. You can wear it big. It is perfect. So this was a part I was kind of struggling at a little bit because of the edge control that I used. So it wasn't, my adhesive wasn't sticking, but we're gonna move forward. I did want baby hairs for this look because I wanted a more pushback look, but I did want to have like some kind of edges or something. You guys know I've been doing the no baby hair thing, and I could have done a no baby hair thing, but I wanted baby hair, so I did the 2 swoops on the side and the sideburns. That's my signature. That's my thing if I do baby hairs. So I did have to pull some hair out, and yeah, so I put the elastic band on and I let it dry, and then I went ahead and cut the lace. Same old, but you guys can see the lace was still lifting up, y'all. It was just like so many steps today. Like, I should not have applied that edge control. That was so unnecessary. But yeah, just cutting the lace, and then I'm going to continue styling. Also, I did bleach my knots and I did pluck off camera, but if you are not a professional or it makes you nervous to pluck and bleach, this wig did come perfect as is. The knots were super small, so if you don't know how to bleach, or if you're scared to, or if you want to keep the integrity of your wig, you will not have to bleach it because they were not very noticeable. Hence why my knots are kind of over bleached, because the knots were so small and I did not need to leave the bleach on as long as I did. Also, you do not have to pluck, but I just did it because I also haven't plucked a wig in a long time. So I was just like, let me just pluck because I want this to give scalp, all right? But just know, again, you will be okay if you do not do those things. So I cut my baby hairs. I did go in the bathroom and flip it. I didn't have another outlet near me, so I went ahead and did my baby hairs. We're gonna skip through this because I like suck at baby hairs and struggling, and the baby hairs will be like 15 minutes of the video, so we're just gonna like skirt through that, and then we're moving on to the actual half up, half down. So this is different from my go-to or traditional half up, half downs. I did not create this style, but this is a lot sleeker, I guess more adult version of a half up, half down for me. I left the middle part and I'm doing a lower half up, half down. Why can't I say it? Instead of it being on top of my head, I feel like it is cute. A half up, half down is cute, but it can come off a little juvenile, and I just want to look very grown and very feminine and, you know, just very girly. So I left the middle part and I'm making sure I'm sleeking it back. I'm going to be spraying my hair with like shine spray, brushing it back. I'm going to use a soft bristle brush. You guys are going to see that. And it was super easy. It was actually a lot easier than doing your regular half up, half down, because when you do the half up, half down on top of your head, you have to make sure it's centered, perfect, this and that. This was just super easy and super lax. So after I did the half up, half down, I did start defining the curls. I kind of wanted that like wet kind of look, but you guys know I don't really like wet hair. I just wanted the curls to be defined. So in this order, you guys, I did water, because you guys are going to see it in the next few clips. I did water, I did my curl cream, the Garnier Fructis serum, and then I sprayed it with the shine spray to keep that quote unquote wet look, but it's not wet. Like, my hair looks so good. It looked so good. And these are the curls defined. It looks so good. So now I'm going to do the same to the other side. Same order, same everything. And I didn't like drench the hair. I was literally just defining the curls because I did do my makeup off camera. And by the time I finished my makeup, which took me about 45 minutes, my hair was pretty much like 85 to 90% dry, and it looked good. And the way you see it at the end of this video is exactly how it looked throughout the whole day. Not a hair out of place. My hair didn't get too big. It didn't get tangled. It didn't shed. It didn't do anything. It looked great. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys check out the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.